Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Jyoti from Angie and Joe's channel. So in this week's reading vlog, we are going to talk about some of the books that I have read, and this week was quite different because I didn't do lots of reading this week. I was watching lots of football this week because as you guys must be knowing, this weekend was quite special, especially the Sunday, because there was Copa America final, and then there was Wimbledon, then there was again Euro 2020 final also on the same day. So lots of football happening, and even during the weekdays, since we are in India, all the matches get telecasted at the night, so after 9:30 or 12:30. So I had quite sleepless nights last week. Sunday we woke up early because we wanted to see Copa America final, and one of my son is Messi fan, so yes, we could not miss that. And it was a really interesting match. It was like a nightmare for the referees, but for us we enjoyed it a lot because there was lots of pushing around, lots of yellow cards, and yeah, quite fun. So I really enjoyed the Copa America. That according to IST it started at 5:30 and I think finished by 7:30 on Sunday morning, but since it was Sunday, getting up early was a task. Then again, Wimbledon final happened on the same day, and then following to that there was also Euro Cup final which was happening on the same day. So yeah, we had quite a day. Because we also stayed awake for Euro Cup final and supporting Italy this time. Yes, and Italy won, and we were so happy. And so yes, entire week was like that because we stayed awake on many nights to watch the matches. So a little bit of this vlog also have some of the highlights of the football that happened. And so I got this book which is Sherlock Holmes, and it's young adult, not young adult, actually kids version of Sherlock Holmes stories. I already have the entire collection of Sherlock Holmes stories because I really love this particular character. So and my son wanted to read some thrillers and some mysteries, so I got this one in the kids section. It is abridged version of the original one, and it has some 5 to 6 stories only, not the entire collection. So yes, and very good for kids to read because all the stories have one page for the pictures, and then the story goes on, so like that. So it's since it is a kids version, it is a little quick to read, but I liked reading this. So if you have a child who is somewhere between 8 to 12, probably you can buy this and give it to your child. So that was one thing. Then I also got this particular book by Rabindranath Tagore, Gitanjali. I got it in English. I already have this book in my Kindle, but I wanted to, get the small copy of it for myself. So I got this one. It has some 100 odd poems. It has some 103 odd poems written by Rabindranath Tagore, translated in English. So I was actually looking forward to read this because I like Rabindranath Tagore's stories, and I like his writing. I like his philosophy as such. So I was really interested to read this book, and it is quite a quick read, but it has lots of deep meaning to it. So every poem, it is not much, it's just hardly one page for each poem, and the entire size of the book is also small. But if you see the kind of content that this book contains, it is like really, really good, really thought provoking, and it has kind of an old English to it, so it's translated that way, but it's not that difficult to understand. So if you want to read Rabindranath Tagore's poems and you want to read it in English, then probably you can check out this book. It is Gitanjali, one of the famous book written by the author Rabindranath Tagore. Apart from that, I also read, I listened to this book in my Audible, and I also have the hard copy of this one. This book is something which I was looking forward to read for quite some time, but then I was not able to read my hardcover that I ordered pre-book. So I thought of getting it in Audible and listening to that, and I loved it because this particular book was written by Priyanka Chopra Jonas, and it is also narrated by her. And I love the books which are narrated by the author himself or herself, because that when the author narrates the book, they give that particular emotion which is required for each sentence, which helps the audience to connect even more to that particular book. So I love listening to this. It was quite an amazing book. Most of the things that are written in the book are already available in the public domain, because Priyanka Chopra is a public figure and most of her life is there in front of us. But there are some things which we do not know: how she how she became a public figure, how she enrolled for Miss India contest, what happened after that, then her Miss World contest, what happened, how she she messed up a bit but still ended up getting Miss World, and then what happened after that, her journey, her schooling, her career in the Bollywood industry, and then after that what was her struggle to move to Hollywood, her short-lived career in terms of as a singer, then how she interviewed for Contigo, then what happened, how she met Nick Jonas, and everything from that. And in between, she also tells her philosophy, her thoughts, what happened at that particular time, so all those things. So more than a book, I felt that I am listening to a story of a person whom I know, but I didn't knew the backstory of that person. So in that way, I really enjoyed listening to her story. And if you like Priyanka Chopra and if you want to know more about her, I think this book is a great way to know her better. I would suggest that it is better to take this book in Audible, because what's better to listen the author herself narrating her story. So yes, that was the book all about. So these are the 3 books that I read this week. So yes, I told I was not very active this week because late nights, and then I am a morning person. I had to get my beauty sleep for for that. So yes, I couldn't read more, but I also got lots of books this week. So I think I'll not be taking it in this vlog. Probably next week vlog we will I'll tell you all about the books that I have got. And yes, that's pretty much it. And if you like this video, please do like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to click on that bell icon to get all the notifications from our channel. And that's it. Happy reading. Bye bye.